What does it mean when my free chlorine and total chlorine are the same number? I recently switched to a saltwater pool. I have a vinyl in-ground 18,000 gallons Pool chlorinator. The water is crystal clear. I don't think I've seen it this clear in 6 years. The chlorine and total chlorine numbers have matched over about 8 tests in the last 2 weeks. What does this mean?
So on your test, when you test it, the test strips, the total chlorine is the total amount of chlorine present in the water. The free chlorine is the available chlorine in the water. I'm sitting here with Emmy. She's our latest puppy in the pool team puppy crowd, and she's hanging with me, so I apologize if it's distracting, but she's very cute. Anyway, when your numbers are the same, it means that you do not have what's called bound chlorine. So you have X amount of chlorine in the pool. Some of it is bound chlorine, meaning it's already interacted and held in solution with other things, organics in the water, and it's not available to use to sanitize the water. So your total level is going to be your amount of free chlorine plus the amount of bound chlorine in the water. Bound chlorine means it's non-usable. Free chlorine means it's available to attack contaminants in the water. So if those numbers are the same, that's a really good thing. And basically what that's saying is you're not in a situation where you have bound chlorine. And what happens, if you look at what might happen if there's bound chlorine in the pool, is your test strip might show all this chlorine in the pool. However, it's not effective, it's not useful, and therefore you might have cloudy water, the water might start turning colors, but you're looking at it going, but there's chlorine in there. Yes, but it's not available. So total chlorine and free chlorine are the same number. It means that all of the chlorine in the pool is available to attack the contaminants. And hence the result is you have very clear water because your chlorine is all actively ready to do what it needs to do. So basically, that's exactly what it is. And sorry for little Emmy getting crazy there.